Nothing just dropped one of its biggest updates yet. And if you own the Nothing Phone 3, your device is about to feel brand new. After months of beta testing and community feedback, Nothing OS 4.0 is officially rolling out, bringing deeper customization, smoother animations, and some seriously clever new features. And yes, the update lands on the Nothing Phone 3 first. Let's start with what's exclusive to the Phone 3. Nothing has expanded its signature flip-to-glyph controls, giving you more precise ways to interact with notifications and quick actions simply by flipping your phone. Pocket mode has also gotten smarter. It's now better at preventing accidental touches without slowing you down when you actually need to use your device. And for the fans of Nothing's personality-driven interface, 2 new Glyph Toys, Hourglass, and Lunar Cycle add a bit of playful animation to your lock screen experience. Mirror Selfie has been improved too. Now you can save both the mirrored version and the original shot in your gallery. Double the options, zero extra effort. Those were the Phone 3 specific editions. But the bulk of the update, everything coming next, will roll out to other Nothing and CMF devices soon. One of the biggest additions is live updates. This brings real-time information for rides, deliveries, and timers right to your lock screen and the Glyph interface. And here's the clever part. Any Android 16 app that supports live updates will now automatically work with Nothing's Glyph Progress feature. That means far more apps, far more compatibility, and far less waiting around. Extra dark mode has been redesigned. Expect deeper blacks, better contrast, and lower power consumption. Notifications, quick settings, and even the app drawer now have a calmer, low-light optimized look. Nothing has also extended this mode to its own apps, like Launcher and Essential Space, with broader integration on the way. Nothing focused heavily on the feel of the system. Animations, transitions, and gestures now carry more depth and tactility. You'll also notice new haptic cues when you hit maximum or minimum volume. Small touches that make a surprisingly big difference. Opening and closing apps feel smoother too, with the home screen background gently scaling to create a subtle sense of depth. Nothing added more widget sizes, including 1x1 and 2x1 options for weather, screen time, and pedometer, perfect for a cleaner, more personalized layout. Multitasking gets a boost too. You can now open 2 floating apps at once and switch between them using simple, intuitive gestures. And if you like a minimalist home screen, Hidden Icons lets you remove apps from your app drawer without losing access. Clean, but still practical. As expected, Nothing is releasing the update in stages. So if your Phone 3 hasn't notified you yet, don't worry. Nothing OS 4.0 is on its way to you. Stay tuned for when the update hits your device. And get ready, because Nothing OS 4.0 is the company's most polished experience.